Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Chambers County in southeastern Texas until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 10 miles north of Rollover Pass or 18 miles east of Butte City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Stoll around 2:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winnie around 3:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may